and hubby's preparing. Okay.
Stop!
No, you are kidding. My goodness. Don't do that. Do you want me to take a video on your face? No? Okay. So stop playing.
Kick.
Today we are going to make nachos. So we need ground beef and pork, so that's mixed. Cheese and potato puree. No, tomato. That's potato. Tomato, fajita, original, bell pepper, onion, garlic, and chili. And hubby's preparing. Okay.
Stop!
No, you are kidding. My goodness. Don't do that. Do you want me to take a video on your face? No? Okay. So stop playing. And just saute all those ingredients. Ganun po siya magluto. Baliktad. Huli yung garlic, but for us Filipinos, we cook the garlic and onion first, right, my love? But for him it's different. Yes, depends. It's his call because he's the one who's cooking. And now it's going to put the tomato puree. Is that puree? What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, it smells so good. What is that? Okay. So, what he bought is the puree is with garlic and wow, that's too much. Okay. Dami niya pong nilagay. Is that 1 kilo? 1 kilogram? No? Parang dami. Ayan po siya. And mix the tomaten or later? Later. And mix it. Go, baby. Yes. My love, you are so good in cooking. So, I really appreciate you cook every time for me. And then you are going to bake for how many minutes? You are going to bake?
In the oven?
Yes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Ready? Ready to transfer? Forgot that we have that brush, you know? I use that for... But it's okay. Doesn't matter. Our brush is white. It's much better if it's blue or black. But it doesn't matter. And yeah, that's it. Into the oven. Oh, you put cheese. Okay. So easy, darling. Easy recipe. Wow, that's full of cheese. Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. I said, ooh, ooh, ooh. And preheated the oven for... How many? What? 200? 200 degrees. 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Bam! Po siya after the oven. And we're going to mix with this tortillas. Or you can use, what is that again? Doritos. And we're going to put some lettuce. Together with those lettuce fresh. Nice. Po siya, simple lang siya. Homemade tacos. Homemade nachos. Sorry. Yung tumatawa na naman si Abby. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless everyone.